Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel RC Hub. This is Anudip Karkera here, and in today's video we will continue the part 3, the objective drawing of symmetrical and asymmetrical drawings. So in the previous videos we have discussed about the objective drawing, also how to measure using the pencil. If you have not checked this video, do check it. It's in the part 2, and we will start the symmetrical and asymmetrical drawings. This is especially for the grade exams, who are writing grade exam. This will be really helpful for them, and I hope this video is helpful for everyone who's watching this. If you like this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button so that YouTube shares the video to the other viewers as well. Thank you. Let's begin. Great video of it. Okay, now here we're trying to draw a vase. So here this is going to be a different objective that we will be drawing, and here I've drawn a center line. Next is going to be an oval, which I'll be initially drawing it this slide. Please draw it this slide. Even y'all can draw along with me. Just pause the video and please start. Now first I'm gonna draw on the left side here, then the right side. So step by step we will be drawing. This is a symmetric drawing like this. Now while drawing the other side, it is going to be very difficult. It won't come the exact same opposite of this one. So what you can do is you can measure this, and you can just mark this one. Assume that you don't have a scale, then use this technique. Next, as you can see here, there's an angle. Here there has to be an angle. Notice the high point over here. The same has to continue over here. You will get 90% correct if you follow this method. The same over here. First is the marking and then connect it. Even while connecting first, you're supposed to draw it light in this way. Next, let us make it dark. Once you feel that it is correct, then you can make it dark. So you need not erase it too many times when you are following this method. So this is about symmetrical drawing. I'll be drawing a few more.
Por el final, ahí bien cerquita del apagón. Fue sin mar, fue sin flores y sin balcón. Nuestro foquito se nos quemó, no queda pulso ni corazón. ¿Qué voy a hacer ayer? Mañana puedo.
A few things that you have to avoid is that when you're drawing, you're not going to draw it too small like this. You have to understand the proportions of the bucket size. You have to understand the proportions of a bowl and the banana. Now if you see this, I've roughly drawn it in this big of paper. You can see there's so much of distance over here, so much of distance over here, so much of distance over here. These are all our empty spaces, which doesn't look right. The bucket has to be still bigger, occupying most of the regions. Okay, that's when the whole drawing will be well balanced. So now what you have to do is, when you start the drawing, it's very difficult. You have to initially do the placement. So when you see any object which is kept in front of you, you have to understand the placement, how big you have to keep it. You have to analyze what is the size of the bucket, what is the size of the bowl in front of the bucket. It's like that. Now let me just roughly do the placement. So this is the bucket that I'm drawing. Look how lightly I've drawn. I'm not going to do the detailing now. Next is the bowl. Now the bucket and the bowl, you see it's a bowl, kitchen bowl, a soup bowl maybe. So how small it is, like this. It is overlapping a little bit over here, yes. And a banana. Banana has covered the edge. This is like that long banana, the big one. Two bananas over here and this way. Now as you can see, the placement is very good here. Next is the table. That's it. Now since we have done this oval, the half portion is visible even here, let me convert this in this way. You can practice along with the drawing. You can pause the video and practice. Now I feel that the angle has to be a little more inside. Let us start the shading. Now assume that the light is falling from the right side. Let's assume that the light is falling from the right side over here. Yes, just a torch. The light is falling naturally from the right side top. So what will happen? The right side here, all these portions will appear light. The opposite is gonna be dark. Even at the center here it is gonna be a little light this side, and here it is gonna be dark. So here when it comes to inside, it is completely different. Okay, you have to understand that. Now let me just tilt my book a little bit because this is convenient for me, and let me start shading. I'm gonna use my 6B. You can use your 6B, you can use your 10B pencil initially. Okay, I'll be using my I recommend you all use the 6B first and then the 10B. Suppose you make mistakes, it would be hard to erase if you are using a 10B. I'm using a 10B pencil here. I'm keeping my this finger as a stopper. And let me just, oh, this is the previous page drawing. The print has come, that's okay. So let me just roughly shade it like this. Make sure the shading is curved. Okay, it has to be curvy. Whereas this inside portion appears light here and the opposite appears dark, because this is the wall and here inside it will appear dark.